How to switch the signal application to the dark mode. So let's start. I'm gonna make this video short and quick because there's only one option how to do it. So if you're gonna search in settings, like on the application, and there is appearance here, and there is no option for the changing to dark mode, right? So what you need to do, you just need to go to settings, like on your phone, on your Android phone or on your iPhone. Now scroll down, click display, and tap here dark theme. And if you go on signal now, you just switch the signal to dark mode. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Bye.